Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today is the day 22 of my 90 days English speaking challenge. And yes, today in this video I will show you my room and my study table, and you can get it as a room tour. Okay, so I'll show you, and you can see my bed. This is my bed where I sleep and where I study, and I'll show you my study table. This is my study table, how I organized the things. You can see this is my alarm clock. This is given by my sister, and actually I don't need this, but it's okay because I am an early bird. I wakes up early in the morning, so I don't need that anymore. And you can see my diaries. I'll show you these diaries, and here is I have some stickers, and this is a sorry guys, this is a slate where I write my temporary things, and I'll show you, this is my mini diary, and let me show you. You can see girl, this girl, some motivational things I have written in this diary, and some of editings. How do I edit? How do I can edit my videos? I have at once my bhaiya, my bade papa's son, took a subscription of a Seiko app. Then he gave me the subscription as well as, so I have learned from that some editing, and I have written in this diary so that I can make videos and I can easily edit. So I have written in these videos, and I'll show you. Sorry, this is a useless thing, and here is some BTS card. Actually, I love BTS. Gave me my younger brother, my cousin, at a Bhai Dooj as a gift. I love BTS, so he gifted me 7 members card, but now this is a only 3 members card. I don't know where is that, or a few. Here is, let me show you. Here is the few cards, the few left card. You can see 7 members. Yay! And here is their sign as well as signature, as an autograph, as you can see. Every cards, and this all are sticky notes. You can see my sticky notes. I have a lot of sticky notes, and I learn English by reading. I learn English, learn structures, and write in this sticky notes, on the sticky notes, and stick here. You can see I stick a few of sticky notes, and let me show you. For many times I am doing this, and I keep all the sticky notes. You can see here. I learn when I learn clearly, means when I learn that all, definitely I stick away from the wall, and I stick again a new structure sticky notes. Okay, so I'll show you. This is a bandage, pink color. You can see because I am a girl, so this is a pink color bandage, and this is a very beautiful. I have a lot of, and here is, I'll show you very many of sticky notes. How much I studied. I studied a lot. At first, I made a homemade sticky notes, as you can see by watching a YouTube videos. I made a sticky notes by chart paper. Then I thought I really need sticky notes. That's then I order sticky notes, and here you can see I cut it shape of sticky notes. I stick as like this. I did a lot of crafted. Let me show you a different shapes of sticky notes. What I cut: butterfly shape, and this is teddy shape, butterfly shape. This all are, I personally cut this all, and this is the tree shape. This is also beautiful, and all of every sticky notes filled with a sentence structure, which is very helpful for me. At this, I have written gel with. It means in Hindi घुलना मिलना. I don't like gel with every people. मुझे सभी लोगों के साथ घुलना मिलना पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है. So these all are very helpful structures. And I have, you can see, hope sustains life. उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. Hope sustains life. उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. I have written a lot of structures, lot of sentences, which all are really helpful for me. My crafting. You can see I was celebrating Christmas Day, so I made a Merry Christmas, a written thing like a birthday. How, what should we say that? What I made? I don't know. I didn't get that. And let me show you many things. I will have to show you many things, guys. I'll show you. This is color. I love to colors. I have a lot of colors. You can see 14 set of colors. Sorry, 24 set of colors. You can see I stick a sticker. I have a sticker as well as a lot of stickers, guys. You can see many stickers I have, and here you can see my sticker. I stick a sticker on it, as well as you can see this lovely bowl. I love to drink water for this sipper, and hygiene maintain. You can see, so that yeah, what beans. सॉरी, वो जो मक्खी होती है, मक्खी, वो वहाँ जाके बैठे हैं, इसलिए मैंने उसे बनाया हुआ है सब. एंड I organize things. You can see a lot of colors I have. This is a brush pen and a rolling pen. I'll show you. By. You can see this all. These all are really lovely, very lovely. I have a lot of colors. I love crafting as well as, and this is a white pen which is gifted by my cousin, whose name is Laksh. We get along. हमारी बहुत बनती है guys. This scale I bought from Dubai Carnival, and here is my earpod, and this is a beautiful. Here is a Vaseline, so that not for chapped lips. I mean, it's for chapped lips. I have created a cutter. Yes. बहुत पुराना है ये. I have a lot of things. मुझे लगता है यार आधा घंटा लग जाएगा मुझे दिखाने में. It will take a half or 1 hour to show you all how many things I have. These all are God gifted, and I am really happiest person in the world. Oh my God. Sorry guys, I had to stop that video at the moment.